everybody, and welcome to today's episode of Drunken Sailor. Today we're kind of feeling like we're in the South Pacific. It's a little humid out. It's a little humid out. We're going to go for a great cocktail called the Blue Hawaiian. It comes from the Royal Hawaiian Hotel in Waikiki. So let's get started. We are going to start with first 3/4 of an ounce of Creme de Coconut. We'll put that in the glass first. It's nice and thick. As we pour the other ingredients, we'll kind of rinse that out for us. So 3/4 of an ounce Creme de Coco. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of Coconut Rum. We're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of Blue Curaco. And just because it's a rum drink, you can't have enough rum, we're now going to use 1.5 ounces of white rum. Just remember, you can never have too much rum. That goes in there. Next, 2 ounces of pineapple juice. We're going to fill our glass with ice, crushed ice. We're going to pop the shaker on there. Give it a good shake. Take that out of there. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to get our glass. We got to get a glass. Can I have a glass? Ooh, a glass. We're going to fill that with ice. That's the joy of living in my house. When you ask for things, they just show up out of nowhere. We fill that up. Crushed ice, that goes to the top. We then take a strain and we strainer. Got a strain. Like I say, it's magic. It just appears. You strain into the glass. Then, just when you think you're done, you got that beautiful blue cocktail, you need to make it just a little bit prettier. So we're going to do 2 things. The first, with any traditional Caribbean or Polynesian drink, it needs an umbrella. So we've got a pineapple, a Maraschino Cherry, and if you're feeling really fancy, we're going to take and we're going to put a pineapple leaf in there. Of course, with all that stuff sticking out of the drink, you're going to need a straw. And that is the Blue Hawaiian. And of course, anytime you like it, somebody shows up
We're here.
and they want it. Taste it too. That's it, folks. That's the Blue Hawaiian. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to Drunken Sailor, drink responsible, and have a great weekend.